Hey guys, hope you're doing well and welcome back to another video in the Go High Level series. So in this video, I'm going to be creating a particular inbound AI calling agent using Go High Level, and I'm going to be doing that in under 5 minutes. All right. So stay with me. I'm going to just do a quick walkthrough about the feature, about the system and its features and how you can utilize that. So I'm going to be, first of all, I need to log into your Go High Level sub account. Click on settings and I need you to go into voice AI agents. Okay, this is where you're going to be creating the AI agent. Mind you guys, in order for the agent to work, you need to have a phone number already purchased. So if I'm going to go into this account, you're going to see that I already have a phone number already purchased. If you want to send out text as well, you need to get the A2P10 DL suite certification. All depends upon your requirements and everything. But for just the calling part, we don't need to tell DLC verification. So I'm just going to build out an AI agent real quick. Awesome. So come here, click on create agent, right? And now I'm going to name the agent. So I'm going to name the agent as Eve in this case, right? And I'm going to name a business name is Eve Pacific Media. This business name is pulled from the information that you put in here in the business profile. And then you can select a voice.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
There we go. That's Samantha. And then you can change the accent. You want to go with the Australian accent. You're going to go with the American, British as well. So you can do all of the accents here, and change them. Let's just try one more voice before we move on. Dakota.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
Perfect. And now this right now only works for inbound calls. So this is an inbound call, and this is the first initial message that the bot is gonna say. Mind you, you can change that initial message depending upon your requirements, or whatever your business requirement is. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna click on next, and there we go. So let's say someone calls in, the bot picks up, "Hi, how may I help you?" And someone says, um, you know, I have this issue. So, we can program the bot to get these four informations, in the basic mode. In the advanced mode, we can get more information as well. So I'm just going to do name, email, and the issue. So the conversation is going to okay, can I have your name, please? Yep, my name is Saad, SWAD. My email is, US. My issue is that I have a plumbing issue in my home. Okay, so that is the contact issue that's going to be recorded as well. Then, if you want to get the address, that's fine too. One last thing you can do is you can trigger an automation whenever the call is completed. Okay, and that can be, any of the ones that you can select down the line, right? Last is, we can also send the email notifications to any user. You can send out to all users. You can send specific user. I'm just going to do specific user in this case. One more thing you can do is in the advanced mode, you can change the prompt a little bit and, set up further actions as well. You can do call transfers. You can trigger a workflow after the call completed. That was the previous one as well. You can update a contact field, so I'll show you this as well. So let's say someone pulls an address. So I just want that information to go into the address field. There we go, street address. And what to update in the field address of the person. So what it will do in this case is, you could provide example as well that, this is when the person will give it the address. Whenever you give the address, I want you to update that in this field particularly, right? You can do that. I'm not going to do it right now because that's not a requirement for yet. Same for the send SMS, trigger workflow, everything. I'm just going to go back to basic mode because that's the one that I'm utilizing here. So specific users, last is, select a workflow. Sorry, I don't need a workflow trigger. We're just going to copy that. And last is phone number. So remember I told you we need an actual phone number for this to work. So I'm going to go in and select the one that I already had, or I can buy a new number from here as well, right? And then last is you can set the agent working hours. So you say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, depending upon the requirement. And again, the time zone will be the time zone that you put in the business profile. Okay, last, click on save. And voila, you have an agent ready. So now any person who does an incoming call, agent is going to pick up the call and take the, so you can utilize this phone number for any business hour server. And now I want to test this. So you can put in the receiver number here and do as much testing as you want. So this feature is particularly $97 a month. And I think it's going to be a game changer for this industry, moving forward. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I think it's going to be a game changer for this industry down the line. So thank you so much for watching this to the end. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe.